First problem, a quadrilateral has its all four interior angles equal. So all four interior angles are equal. What is the measure of each interior angle? So we need to find out the measure of each interior angle. So since we don't know the measure of each angle, we will take that as x. So let us write down in solution. Let each angle be x. And we already know that sum of all angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Okay, so we can write, so what are the four angles? X. Okay, so x plus x plus x plus x is equals to 360. So how many? 4x is equals to 360. 4 goes down. X is equals to 360 by 4. 4 ones are 4 nines are 36. 0 as it is. X is equals to 90 degrees. So we can write, therefore the four required angles are 90, 90 and 90 degrees.